I'm going to show you how to create an email in HubSpot. So you go to marketing, email, and then we have, okay, so here we welcome to email. And then after that, we have, I'm new to email and all the stuff. So that's going to depend on whatever you're going to click. If you want there, you get some information. So tell your email setup experience based on where you have come from. So yeah, they're giving you that to choose. Let's skip this one here. So as you can see, there is some of the information there. As you can see, create a list of subscribers to start marketing email, blah, blah. So those are the other setup if you want to get familiarized yourself with email, but you're going to create today, create email. We have three kind of email. We have regular email, automated email, and then after that we have the blog email. So this one here, we use it with a workflow. And this here we have our regular, how to set up a regular email, and this when it comes to email subscriptions. So now we're gonna click regular. So here we have different kind of emails. So HubSpot is providing to us some template to choose from. So some of them from the premium email template, and then some of them they are basic, as you can see there. So and as you can see, different kind of email. We have welcome, simple, promotion, plain, newsletter, and some of them for the product. So we're gonna just choose a basic. Let's try to choose this one here because it's gonna help us to navigate properly. So now, as you can see, we have different kind of email here. The sections. So this is the image section. So how do you do this? So what you do with this layout, as you can see, we already have a layout there. You have a logo and all those stuff. So you have the logo there, and then we have the image. So the way that you can see here, we have the content, and then here we have the layout. So let's say, for instance, we want 3 column. This is the 3 column that we have. You can drag element inside it. Let's say we have the image. You drag an image there inside. You're gonna upload your image there. You drag another image there inside. You drag another image also there inside. And then after that, we have to add some content, text. You can add your text there. You can see just basic drag and drop. You can say, for instance, heading 1. We have heading 1. So we're gonna have like heading 1. Heading 1. So if you want, you can clone it. So let's say we clone it, and then after that, we're gonna drag it. This is the way you drag. You drag it there. You clone. And then here you drag it again there. So here you have your 3 columns there, and then there you're gonna have your image. So yeah, you have your image there. So let's just clone. Let's change the image. Clone, drag. Yeah. So okay, so this is centered. This is as you have it there. So if you want to center it, you come there, centered. You have what you get in the module of the text. Okay. So now some other elements. So the one that you have there, as you can see with the button. So with the button, we have you're gonna come there. You can add your button there. Click your edit button where you put the URL. You select the type of the button that you're looking for, the link, and then for instance, like read more. There's where you change your text, the way you change your color, and so forth, the paddings around it. And so when you come to email structure, the most important part that you have to know is at least you need to have like to build 2 columns and then 3 columns and then 1 columns. So most of the time it can be 2 columns and 1 column, and to avoid to have like 5 columns or 4 columns because of certain email client on mobile is going to work fine. So that's really important like that. Let's say for instance you want to so you want to make a kind of like a logo, line of logo, sponsors logo and something like that. So for you to have it's better to just have like a one image that's going to have all the 5 or 3 logo, 4 logos or something like that. So yeah, that one is going to be kind of like a bit better. So this is the way that you set it up like that. And then when it comes to background color, so is to avoid background to have things like you have your background. As you can see, this is the image, and then if you want to have a background image with text on top of it, so certain email client, they're not gonna make it work, so it's gonna render properly. So let's say for instance we have this layout here. As you can see, we have background pattern and then background color. Okay, even see up, so it doesn't give us the way to add a background image there. So yeah, so you can see where you can avoid. You can build your own custom model to edit here, but it's not recommended to have background image and then text on top of it, unless if you have the image has itself the text already embedded into the image. Yeah, that is fine. Okay, those are the best practice. You have the divider, you have social share, you have videos. You can add videos, and then you can just upload your embed there and upload video there where you do the center alignment and stuff like that. And then what else again? Yeah, so and then we have the separator, the divider. So as you can see there, you can add width, you can make it 100%, you can make the line to be thick and so forth. What you see, what you get, text, button, social share. You can see we have a social share there. So you can have a social share, let's say for instance around the footer. Social follow. Put it there, somewhere there. There where you put your email. Yeah. So once you finish, you just save. You don't need to review and send there. You can just save. To do some testing, you click preview here. Is where they want to show you. You're gonna see how you can test your email, how it looks like on desktop and also on mobile. And then here you can see where if you have an account, you're gonna be able to test with all the email clients. As you can see here, you just click there to get access to it. And then here is where that we can yeah, so here is where that you can do your testing somewhere there. So for later, for instance, we have personalization token here, so you can see which name is going to pop up there. For instance, let's say we have hi, and then let's add personalization token, contact, say first name, default hi there. Must always put default. So we have personalization token. Okay, so now if you want to do a preview test, okay, you can see my name pops up that side there. So this is the way that you do. This one helps you to test already your personalization token. So this is the way that you do it. All right, so yeah, so always have unsubscribe stuff there, setup, manage appearances and all those stuff. So this is the way that you set up your email. Always try to make email to be basic, and avoid to have complex email, because when you have complex email, it's going to make it difficult. So you always have like 2 columns. Your email can have 2 columns, and then if it's too much, you can have 3, but avoid. And then to have always one column structure in this fashion like this. Avoid background image. You can have your image like this, just to have a regular image. You can have your image in this fashion like that. So yeah, but later, for instance, so the regular image there, but you cannot have like, let's say, you cannot, later, for instance, you want to create a custom module that's gonna have the image like that, and then the text on top of it. So yeah, that one isn't recommended. So it's better for you to have the image there, the image, and then put even the text at the bottom, to avoid the image to not show with the background image to not show when rendering other email clients that it doesn't support background image. But regular image there like this is fine. All right. Thank you so much. So if you like this video, click the thumbs up, and also you can subscribe for more.